A non-spherical solid typically has more than one face. The different faces of the object can be manipulated by adjusting the drafting planes, that is, the UCS. The XY plane provides the basic two-dimensional platform for drafting, and the Z-axis defines depth. UCS command is used to define a new position and orientation of the UCS. There are preset controls of the UCS that can be used to quickly select a working plane. These controls are available in the Coordinates panel of the Home tab. Use the options in the selector to choose a working plane. You can use the Align the UCS selector to select a working plane parallel to the screen, object, or face. In all cases, pay attention to the orientation of the XY plane. UCS controls are affected by changes in drawing views, but the UCS controls do not alter drawing views. This implies that if the UCS setting is front, for example, then using the view control, the model space is switched to left. The working plane will automatically change from the front to left. UCS controls are used to manage the plane of drafting. It is important to know how to use them in order to manipulate solids correctly.